Hi everyone, this is Brennan from Lemplates. Today we're going to compare Asana with Lemplates for building templates and checklists. So if your team is doing the same type of work over and over, like onboarding clients, launching campaigns, or even publishing content, then templates are what keep things running smooth. So let's break this down. The job is simple: to standardize templates and processes across your organization. And this makes the work ships faster with fewer mistakes being made. That's it. No missteps, no repeating yourself, and no chaos when someone new joins the work. We're going to build the same onboarding checklist in both these tools and see how they feel. So, building an Asana. We're going to create a new template by saying blank project. We're going to call this client onboarding. We're going to select my workspace and continue. Then we're going to have a look at all the recommendations of the views. Said, okay, create project. Now you're inside the full project workspace. Already you can tell that this is not just a checklist tool. It's actually a full project system. Adding tasks are quite simple. Click add task and enter. Let's say welcome email, login details, kickoff call, reporting, and deliver milestone as example. Now, each task can have, when you click on it, you can add subtasks by clicking there. You can add due dates, assignees, for example. Select the person inside my workspace. The due date, Thursday. You can even have reporting and dependencies. This makes it clean and well organized. Now let's add dependencies. So you can say that the kickoff call that must happen before setting up reporting. Asana lets you link tasks together so that one can't start before another has finished. So to add the dependency, kick and call can only happen after the login details have been received. You can put in a description there. Provide the details first and confirm. Fantastic. You'll see that indication there is that the dependency has been added to kickoff call. Now that's quite powerful. And once you're done, you can click project settings and save the template. Now, once this is done, you can reuse this template for whenever you want. And that's the basic flow. What Asana does really well is it's well structured, it's powerful, and it handles complex workflows. It's great if your team already uses Asana daily. And if you live in Asana already, your templates feel natural. But here's the thing. If you just want a clean checklist system, then Asana can feel a bit big. You're building a whole project every single time you want to create one. It's amazing for full project management, but sometimes you just want repeatable checklists, not dashboards or dependencies. Also, Template discovery isn't really the focus. You mostly build your own from scratch. Still, for project-driven teams, it works well. For context, this is how we do this in Lemplates, which is the tool we use ourselves. Right, we'll click a new template to create it. We'll give it a title, Client Onboarding. Next, we'll add the steps. Either use the AI tools, a step library, or manually input steps. First one will be welcome call. Second step will be login details. Add a description if you like. Next step. Let's say reporting, etc., etc. You can also add steps in between. Like that. Fantastic. So once you're happy with your template, you click Save Changes. You see, there it's saved amongst all my other checklists. So this is quite important because each checklist item can include step-by-step instructions. So instead of just saying the kickoff call, you can include agenda, preparation notes, and recording steps. It becomes more of an SOP system than a project system. So here's the real difference. You don't duplicate full projects, you reuse your Lemplates. And there's a marketplace of ready-made templates available for you to explore. That's a different approach. So if you look at the speed to create, Asana takes slightly longer because it's building a full project. In Lemplates, it's faster because it's a simpler checklist and simpler workflows. If you want to see this approach in full, Lemplates is linked below.